Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together. Look at the calendar. Today is a very special day. It's the first day of school. Everything is ready. Backpacks, water bottles, and shoes are clean. It is a big day for James and Charlotte. Yawn. Good morning, world. Oh, it smells like a school day. It's time to wake up the kids.
Wake up, everyone!
It is time for school.
Get ready! Let's go, let's go!
Whoa! School time! I am awake! I am going to school! Yay! School time! Just 5 minutes. Please give me 5 more minutes. Oh no, it is much too early for school.
Knock, knock. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty.
Dad, I am so sleepy. Please let me sleep.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The chicken says it is time to wake up.
Oh, Dad, you are too loud.
No more sleeping. Look at the sunshine. It is a beautiful day.
My eyes. The sun is shining so bright outside.
Come on, Charlotte. You need to wash your face and get dressed.
No. Okay. I am getting up. Time to clean up. Where is my toothbrush? Squeeze! Oh no, I pressed too hard. Oh, James. Watch me squeeze the toothpaste gently. Then brush up and down, round and round. Don't forget to brush your back teeth. I am brushing up and down, round and round we go. Now rinse your mouth with water and spit. Woo! Oh, done. I am making braids. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you are amazing, Charlotte. You look professional. Done. My braids are ready. I want to look cool too. Watch me slick my hair back. Look, I am a movie star. Handsome James, you look very handsome with that style, James.
Kids, are you done? Come here. Time to get dressed. The uniforms are ready.
We are coming right now, Mom.
Here are your uniforms. Fresh and clean.
The summer was too short, Mom. I'm not ready for school. I want to travel more and go to the beach again.
I understand, honey. We all love holidays, but vacations cannot last forever. We have to go back to school, right?
I guess so. You are right, Mom. Think about your friends.
Don't you miss them? And your teachers too?
Well, yes, I do miss them. See, it will be fun.
I am super fast. Watch me. I am doing button 1, then button 2.
All done. I am ready. Look at me.
Oh dear. Come here, James. Look at your buttons.
Huh? Why is one side longer? Is it magic? It is wrong. You missed one hole. Stand still. James, let me fix the collar too.
There you go. Now you look smart and tidy.
You are the best sister. Oh, you're a sweetie.
And now the tie. Let Dad help you. I'm an expert. Over, under, around, and pull. It looks a bit funny, Dad. Why is it sideways?
Oh, Dad, let me do it.
Good morning, Madam and Sir. Welcome to Chef Dad's restaurant. Your breakfast is ready.
We have eggs and toast. Host!
Wow, it looks delicious.
Thank you, Dad. You are so funny, Dad. It looks like a 5-star restaurant.
You are welcome. Please eat now. Because you need energy for school.
This food is so yummy. Nom nom nom. It smells so good. But my tummy feels a little funny. Like little beans are jumping inside.
Are you nervous, honey?
Yes, just a little bit today.
That is okay.
But you need brain food. Eggs and toast help you learn and think. You should try just one bite. It will give you power.
It is good.
Thanks, Dad.
The wheels on the car go round and round. We are almost there.
The school is near. Dad. Mom, I have a question.
I'm listening. What is it, James?
Do you think my friends remember me? I haven't seen them for 3 months.
Of course. You are James. How can they forget you?
I wonder if their holiday was fun. Did they travel like us?
You can ask them soon. It is a good way to start a conversation.
Mom, I have a question too.
Go ahead, Charlotte. What is on your mind?
Do other kids feel nervous like me? Am I the only one?
Oh, honey, everyone is nervous on the first day. Even the teachers get nervous. It is normal.
Really?
Do the teachers feel nervous too, Mom?
Yes. But after 5 minutes, everyone will be happy.
If you smile first, then they will smile back at you.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Here we are. Have a wonderful day, my loves.
Wow. Listen, it's so loud and fun. Wow. Everything looks new. Hey, James. Hi, Charlotte.
Over here. Oh, it's Sarah. I miss them so much. Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Look at them, Dad. They are ready to learn new things.
Yes. Back to school is a very special day.
Hey, friends. How was your first day of school? Tell us in the comments.
Nothing on TV.
I want to go somewhere fun.
Surprise! Surprise!
Look at this letter. Is it a bill, Dad?
No, we won a trip. We're going to Australia.
Yay! Australia!
Wow, look! The opera house looks like white shells. Beautiful.
Yes, that is the Sydney Opera House. It's a centre for music and arts. People call it the symbol of Australia.
And look at the bridge. It is huge.
That is the Harbour Bridge. People call it the coat hanger because of its shape. Dad?
Dad, we can't see the bridge, just your face.
Oops, sorry. Come here, everyone. Time for a selfie. Cheese!
Next stop, Uluru.
Whew, it is hot here. Look at the red sand.
We are in the red centre. That giant rock is Uluru.
Wow, it is so big and red. Look, a boomerang. Watch me. Where is it? It is not coming back. Look, a kangaroo found it. The kangaroo wants to play with me.
Next stop, the Great Barrier Reef.
Look down, everyone. It is the biggest coral reef in the world. Wow, the coral is so colorful. I see a clownfish. Wait! Something big is coming. Is it a shark? A monster?
No, James.
It is a sea turtle.
He is swimming slowly.
Oh, hello, Mr. Turtle. I love Australia. The ocean and nature here are beautiful. And the kangaroos are funny. I want to come back.
This has been the most amazing adventure we've ever had.
Traveling teaches us new things. We love exploring together.
Do you like Australia? Like and share this video now. Now!
And subscribe for more adventures.
See you next time!
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Sarah, did I tell you about the coral reef in Australia? No. Tell me. And I saw a real kangaroo holding my boomerang. Wow, really, James?
The world is a big book, and those who do not travel read only a page.
Tomorrow there will be koala-shaped rice balls, kids.
Awesome, Dad. I won't be nervous tomorrow, Mom. I will smile at everyone. The teacher will definitely like this drawing, right, Mom?
Definitely, son. The best way to learn English is to bring it into real life, like our family did in Australia. I've read all your comments. Thank you for sharing your first day stories.
Wishing you all a new school year full of joy and exciting discoveries. Guess where we're going next?
It's a secret! Bye, everyone! Mom, the kookaburra sounds like a person laughing.
Good job, James.
Great. Barrier. Reef. I will never forget this word.
Which animal carries its baby in a pouch?
Kangaroo! I won! Come back. Boomerang. Don't let the turtle take it. Hello, little fish. You are so
A new day begins. Every day is a chance to learn something wonderful.
This morning we will eat Australia.
Dad, you are so creative.
Did you know? Boomerangs aren't just toys. They are ancient hunting tools. Wow! Our Australia video is so popular. Thanks for your support.
Hi guys, I'm Blogger James. Today I'll tell you about Vegemite. Ew, it tastes weird. When I grow up, I want to be a marine biologist to save the Great Barrier Reef, Mum.
Always listen and empathize with their feelings. That's the key to confidence.
Sometimes we don't do things perfectly right away, but we tried, right?
always
Keep
smiling
at the world.
Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode. Bye, friends. See you again.
Next up is the land of sumo and sushi, guys. Konnichiwa. Oh, Japanese sounds fun. See you in Japan.
Hiya! Ouch! Ouch! I still need more practice for Japan!
Thank you for joining English for Newbie. Have a joyful day of learning.
What is this? It's a backpack.
Correct. Good job.
Australia is far, with kangaroos that hop. They jump everywhere and never ever stop.
School is fun. I'll finish fast so we can go to Japan soon.
Just 5 words a day, but make sentences with them. You'll remember forever.
I'll give this to my teacher to say thank you for teaching us.
Chocolate and coconut. Ooh, it looks easy, but it's tricky. Wait for me.
Yeah, the chocolate is great!
Dad? It's delicious, Dad. Mom, will we see real cherry blossoms in Japan? Yes, son. Samurai are brave and disciplined. We should be like them in school.
Today we learned school, backpack, kangaroo, and brave. Review them.
No matter where we go, as long as we are together, it's meaningful.
Thank you. Arigato.
감사합니다.
Merci. Kindness is like a smile. It spreads joy to everyone. Pass it. Go! We are a great team!
Don't give up when it's hard. Just keep going every day.
Working is a way to stay healthy and make others happy.
Good time management gives me more time to play. I'm listening, Mom. What happens next? Remember your jackets. It might be cold.
Okay.
Goodbye, home.
We're gonna explore the world!
See you next time. Bye-bye.